Let's turn on autofill services for your device. When you try to log back into your application or if you fill in out a form, it will show up all saved data including your personal details and password. If that option is not available, this is how to get back it. First, you have to open settings. Swipe up, then I will open settings like this. Then scroll all the way to the bottom until you find passwords, passkey and accounts. At the top you can see under preferred services, I have selected none. So just tap the pencil icon, then you will get this window. Here under autofill suggestions, you have to select Google. So the selection is none, so I have to change it to Google. Then in the pop-up window, tap the change button. Then that option has been turned on. When you try to log back into application, it will suggest these login details and other personal data. Yeah, that's it. See you in the next one.